Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of Excel's powerful functions, COUNTIF. Have you ever need to quickly find how many things meet a specific criteria in your spreadsheet? That's where COUNTIF comes in. In the previous video, we learned the count function to count the number of cells in a selected range. If you have not watched yet, please watch from my channel. COUNTIF is a versatile function that allows you to count cells based on a specified condition. Let's take a look at a simple example. We've got a dataset of employee information here, including names, departments, and salaries. Let's dive in and see what insights we can uncover using Excel. The syntax of COUNTIF is quite simple. It takes two main arguments, range and criteria. Range defines the range of cells that you want to evaluate. Criteria sets the condition that cells must meet to be included in the count. First up, let's find out how many employees earn more than $70,000. We enter equals COUNTIF, bracket open, select the range of salary, and don't forget to fix the range with $signs, or press F4 to ensure that the cell references remain fixed. Even if the formula is copied, select the criteria in this cell. Here we want number of employees earn more than $70,000, so you can also type greater than 70,000 in double inverted commas. Let's say this data can be used to analyze the number of employees exceeding that salary threshold. Similarly, now, let's see how many employees earn less than $70,000. How many employees need a raise? Now you can simply copy the formula if you set criteria in specific cell, or you can type the criteria. Finally, let's break down the number of employees in each department. We'll use COUNTIF once again, this time for each department, equals COUNTIF, bracket open, select the range of employee name. Fix the range with $sign, select the criteria that is department name, bracket close, and hit the enter. And repeat the process for other department by simply copying the formula. Or you can drag the formula from the right below corner of the cell. With just a few simple formulas, we've gained valuable insights into our employee data. Don't forget to experiment with COUNTIF on your own data sets. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Until next time, happy excelling!